Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom, starting a new week of what I cooked and ate for dinner. I'm starting this one off with some Baja marinade to get on some chicken. I'm doing this in the morning before I leave for work, so it has the whole day to marinate. If you are new here to my channel, I do have an entire playlist of these types of videos linked down below from over the years, so I hope you guys enjoy seeing what we have this week. Hey guys, home from work and getting ready to get the grill started up. I've had my chicken marinating all day since about 7:30, and I have my grill pan ready with some asparagus, some baby bella mushrooms. I drizzled everything in olive oil, salt, pepper, and garlic powder, and when the chicken goes on, I'm going to go ahead and start this chicken and broccoli rice-a-roni. These are two very large chicken breasts, so I'm hoping I can have leftovers to bring to work tomorrow, but we will see. Hey guys, so the grilled chicken is done, the grilled veggies are done, and we've each got some rice. Matt is not a huge fan of mushrooms, so I took a majority of the mushrooms, and he has a little bit more chicken and rice, and I have a little bit of everything left over for leftovers for lunch tomorrow. But yeah, this is our dinner tonight, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. So tonight I'm making the Pioneer Woman recipe Sloppy Joes. These are absolutely delicious. I'll leave the recipe linked below. I'm going to serve them on these Pepperidge Farm little butter sliders, and I'm also making some veggie tots in the broccoli and cheese. They're absolutely delicious. So Matt is having 3 little sliders. I'm having 2. I love these broccoli tots, guys. I haven't had them in a while, and I highly recommend them. And this was our dinner tonight. Hey guys, just got home from work a little while ago. I'm getting ready to prep up our dinner. So I've got a pie shell here from Aldi. I just have it laid out on the bottom of the pie dish. And then for my filling, I'm using some leftover ham from Easter that I had frozen with some broccoli, some mushrooms, onion, and tomato. I'm going to add a little bit of this Sargento sharp cheddar cheese, and I'm going to beat up about 5 eggs and mix it with some 2% milk so it kind of fluffies, makes everything fluffy and puff up. Pour it over here and bake it for about 45 to 50 minutes. Usually I do it on 375. So we're going to have quiche and salad tonight. Really simple dinner. So I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's all done. Hey guys, so here is our quiche. It came out really good, and then we're each going to have a side salad, and tonight we're using up some of this wishbone Italian dressing, and it looks really good and simple. We're going to dig in, and we will see you tomorrow. So something I have been doing since going back to work in March is doing a lot of, or as much as I can, of dinner prep in the morning. So I do get up pretty early during the week, about 5 a.m. I make coffee for myself. I think about the structure of my day. I make sure I have everything for dinner, ready to go, whether it's bringing meat out of the freezer. I pack our lunches. And this particular day, I thought since I had a few extra minutes, I would cut up some peppers and some onions because I knew that night we were going to have some kibasi on the grill with peppers and onions. So I thought I would just save myself an extra step by doing this, and it just really helped out a lot. So I have the onion and peppers ready. I put them in a big Ziploc bag, and all I had to do when I get home was throw them into the grill pan, season them up, and throw the kibasi on the grill. So this definitely saved a lot of time later on in the day. Alright guys, so the kibasi is off the grill. This is a local kibasi. The brand is called White Eagle. We did a bunch of peppers and onions, and then I have a scrambled egg here to put inside the rice. Alright guys, so here it is. I did the rice-a-roni and I put some scrambled egg in there. A couple subscribers had said it was really good, so I'm going to give it a try. So there's like little bits of egg inside. So I've got my plate here, some veggies, some rice, and Matt has the same thing. And it looks like we're going to have a little bit left over for one of us to have lunch tomorrow. But yeah, this is our dinner tonight, guys, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so this night I did some pulled pork in the crock pot. I just put in a pork butt in the morning. I shredded it all up really fine and added some Sweet Baby Ray's. And I'm here making some coleslaw to put on top of the pulled pork sandwiches. So the pulled pork came out really good, guys. I served it on some onion rolls. I put coleslaw on mine. Matt does not like coleslaw, so he said I'll pass. I made the Alexia sweet potato tots. It was really good. I had leftover coleslaw and leftover pork as well. Hey guys, it is morning right now and I'm getting ready to head out for work shortly, but I wanted to go ahead and get my chicken here. I've got about 1.5 pounds of chicken breasts marinating, so it has all day to marinate while I'm at work. Today I'm using the McCormick Grill Mates in the tomato, garlic, and basil. I love this flavor. It's really good. These are super easy to use, guys. It's a dry mix. And I just pour them into like a measuring cup. And then you're just going to add water, some vinegar. So I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of vinegar. You can also use balsamic vinegar for this marinade. And I'm also going to use a splash of this. This is the cholesterol-free Smart Balance with omega oil. A little bit of that. And then you just whisk it all up. And this marinade's really good on beef, chicken, pork, as well as seafood. Hey guys, home from work and I'm gonna get dinner rolling here. So I've got my chicken breast that marinated all day, so about 9 hours. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these on the plate. I've got pasta salad that I made to have as a side. And I also took a couple zucchini and just sliced them lengthwise. I have them on this little grill pan from Walmart lined with foil, and I'm going to season them with olive oil, some pink salt, some pepper, garlic powder, and I'm going to use this garlic and herb salt-free Mrs. Dash. And these will just grill right along with the chicken, and it'll be perfect to have a nice cold pasta salad as a side. So I'm going to go ahead and get this all going. Hey guys, so here is how our dinner turned out. We've got some grilled chicken and grilled zucchini with the pasta salad. Really easy and light dinner tonight, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. So tonight we are having some BLTs. I do my bacon in the oven. I do a big sheet pan with aluminum foil, and then I line it with parchment paper, lay the bacon out, and I preheat my oven to 400 degrees. It takes about 20 to 22 minutes total. You want to make sure you flip your bacon over halfway. I've just found you get a better end result. So after about 10 minutes or so, I just flipped it over, as you can see, and then the other side gets nice and crispy, and it comes out absolutely delicious. And I find that baking it absorbs a lot of the fat in the parchment paper. So I like to do my BLTs assembly line style. So I like to have my bacon cooked, my lettuce and tomato cut up, my bread toasted. It just makes it a little bit easier since this is sort of like an assembly line style sandwich. I absolutely love BLTs. I think they really hit the spot every once in a while. This bread is like a hearty wheat bread I got from Aldi. It was a really good price. I wouldn't say it was the best bread in the world, but it was decent, and these came out really good. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all of the meals I made this week for dinner, and that it gave you some new ideas for meals you can create at home. If you are looking for more ideas for dinners, I have an entire playlist of these types of videos linked in the description box down below from over the years. And these were just really good, guys. I served my husband's with some potato wedges from Walmart, and I had the Green Giant broccoli cheese tots. I just didn't want potato wedges that night, but they were really good. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.